Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup real estate documents with Dropbox for investors, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Dropbox account if you don't already have one. Visit the Dropbox website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, log into Dropbox. Download the Dropbox application for your computer or mobile device. Install the application following the on-screen instructions. Open the Dropbox application once installation is complete. You will see a folder called Dropbox created on your device. This folder is where you will store all your real estate documents. Next, gather all your important real estate documents. These may include contracts, listings, financial statements, and inspection reports. Organize these documents into relevant folders for easier access. Create a folder structure within your Dropbox folder to categorize your documents. For example, you could create folders for contracts, finances, and open houses. Now, drag and drop your organized folders into the Dropbox folder. Wait for the sync process to complete. You can check the sync status by looking for the syncing icon. Now that your documents are backed up, share any necessary folders. Right-click on a folder you want to share and select the Share option. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with. Adjust permission settings to determine if they can view or edit. Once ready, click the Send button to share the folder. To access your documents from any device, simply log in to your Dropbox account. Make it a habit to regularly update and back up new documents. Consider utilizing the Dropbox mobile app for on-the-go access. You can also set up automatic camera uploads for any relevant photos from your phone. Finally, if needed, explore Dropbox file recovery features for added security. With these steps, your real estate documents will be securely backed up and easily accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.